Today I am reviewing the Samsung 990 Pro NVMe M.2 SSD. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Samsung has been leading the SSD market for years, and the 990 Pro continues that legacy with improvements across nearly every metric that matters. Right away, the first thing you notice is the lightning-fast performance. With sequential read speeds up to 7,450 megabytes per second and sequential write speeds up to 6,900 megabytes per second, this drive pushes PCIe Gen4 technology near its absolute limits. These speeds translate into noticeably faster boot times, quicker application launches, and smoother overall system responsiveness. Even large game files, high-resolution video projects, and massive program libraries load significantly faster compared to older solid-state drives. One of the biggest advancements in the 990 Pro compared to the previous generation is its random performance. Samsung claims more than a 55% improvement over the 980 Pro, and this is something users will feel every day. Random read and write performance affects real-world tasks like opening complex applications, switching between programs, handling high-resolution textures in games, and managing data-heavy workflows. With this kind of improvement, your system feels more fluid, more responsive, and more capable of handling demanding multitasking without slowdowns or stutters. The drive is especially impressive for gamers. Modern titles continue to grow in size, complexity, and texture quality, and fast storage is crucial for minimizing load times and ensuring smooth asset streaming during gameplay. The Samsung 990 Pro helps eliminate the long waits that players are used to, allowing you to jump into your games almost instantly. Open-world titles benefit the most because they constantly pull data from storage. With the 990 Pro, large environments load quickly and seamlessly, reducing texture pop in and maintaining stable performance even during fast movement or heavy action. For competitive gamers, this can contribute to a smoother and more reliable experience. Content creators also stand to benefit greatly from this drive. If you work with 4K or even 8K video, large raw photo libraries, or complex 3D projects, the Samsung 990 Pro delivers the bandwidth needed to keep your workflow efficient. Scrubbing through timelines becomes more responsive, transferring large files takes a fraction of the time, and exporting projects feels noticeably faster. The drive's high sustained performance allows for long sessions of continuous work without throttling, which is essential for professional environments. Workstation users who deal with simulation software, engineering tools, databases, or scientific computing will also see significant gains from the increased random performance and overall responsiveness. The drive is designed to handle consistent high load, meaning it performs well under pressure even during multi-hour heavy workloads. Power efficiency is another area where the Samsung 990 Pro shines. Samsung states that this drive offers up to 50% improved performance per watt compared to the 980 Pro. This means the drive not only performs better, but also uses less power to achieve that performance. For laptop users, this can translate to longer battery life. For desktop users, it means lower overall energy consumption and improved thermal efficiency. Less heat production means your system stays cooler, fans do not have to work as hard, and the SSD can maintain its peak performance for longer periods without thermal throttling. The 990 Pro also continues Samsung's tradition of using high-quality components and advanced engineering that ensure longevity and durability. Samsung's reputation in the flash memory industry is unmatched, and this drive benefits from their decades of experience. The controller, the NAND flash, and the firmware are all optimized to work together, resulting in a stable and highly reliable storage solution. This is important for users who rely on their system for professional work or who need an SSD they can trust for long-term storage without performance degradation. Another advantage is the wide compatibility of the drive thanks to its M.2 2280 form factor and PCIe Gen4 interface. It works with modern gaming laptops, high-end motherboards, PlayStation 5 consoles, and workstation systems that support PCIe 4.0. Whether you are upgrading an existing computer or building a new one from scratch, installing the Samsung 990 Pro is quick and easy. Once installed, Samsung's Magician software provides tools for monitoring drive health, optimizing performance, applying firmware updates, and ensuring that the drive continues running smoothly. With storage capacities available from 1 terabyte to 4 terabytes, users can choose the option that best fits their needs. The 2 terabyte model provides a generous amount of space that is perfect for large game libraries, intensive creative workloads, or professional applications where speed and capacity both matter. Having this much high-speed storage on a single drive allows you to keep everything accessible without constantly moving or deleting files. Overall, The Samsung 990 Pro NVMe SSD stands out as one of the fastest and most efficient Gen 4 drives available today. It combines exceptional sequential speeds, dramatically improved random performance, strong power efficiency, and proven reliability from the world's leading flash memory manufacturer. Whether you're chasing the absolute best gaming performance, aiming to speed up your creative workflow, or building a powerful workstation, the 990 Pro provides the performance headroom and consistency needed for both current and future workloads. It is a smart upgrade for anyone who values speed, stability, and long-term endurance in their storage.